Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for any program on your desktop. As you can see here, I don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to make a shortcut of it on desktop. I will go to the start menu and then look for the application for the software you want to make a shortcut for it. For example, I will do it for Adobe Premiere Pro. Just right click on it and then go to more, and then go to open file location, and you will find the shortcut of the Adobe Premiere Pro. Just right click on it and choose send to, and choose desktop. As you can see, create shortcut. Just click on it and it will create a shortcut for Adobe Premiere Pro on your desktop. And if you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.